Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having...
You tell them.
Hamburger helper.
Yes. Hamburger helper. Cheap and clean.
I have not made hamburger helper for over 10 years.
Wow.
My mind just ran across it and I was like, you know what? I feel like having some hamburger helper. Although Richie don't remember, but...
I don't remember, but I'm going to tear it up. It doesn't matter what if I remember or not. But now I remember it's going to be in my belly. That's all you need to remember. It's going to be in your belly, you know?
I used to make this a lot. And I put chicken in here. Yeah.
Okay, check.
I used to make this a lot. And I put ground chicken in here as usual. And it's ground beef.
Yeah,
I could have put whole chicken. Could put ground turkey. Put anything in here.
And what are you talking about your roll then?
Oh, I'm sorry, I just started eating. So we have, what is it called again?
What?
Hamburger helper.
Yeah. Then you have the...
And we have some garlic rolls. Garlic knots. And then we have some salad. It is a Caesar salad. Very good. And that's it.
That's it. But look at the roll. Roll them look good, my youth. Watch your roll. I hope you like the roll. Take a bite. I'm going to hold it for a little bit. Okay.
Try a little sriracha. See how that tastes with it.
Give me the, what do you call it, please? Yeah, that more for you.
I want this on spicy. I'm going to put a little bit right here so I can taste it. I want to see which one I like better on it. 2 times. Watch it, you know.
Well, the garlic roll tastes good, man.
It tastes good?
This is like the noodles challenge. So 2 times spicy night, my youth.
I hope you guys had a great weekend.
Yes, I hope y'all did. We had an awesome weekend. Family, hold on. When was the last time y'all ate this?
For real. This is not a meal that we eat all the time.
You know,
used to.
I don't remember it, so it was a eat all the time. I don't remember it.
If you don't remember it, that means it's forgettable. You remember eating oxtail?
I love oxtail.
All right.
Listen, this right here. I remember it today.
Sorry. I get it.
The rain. Family. As long as it's not pork, I eat it. But I eat hamburger helper too. You act like I don't eat hamburger helper.
Let me try this 2 times spicy one with it.
2 times spicy tastes good with it.
They both taste good.
Okay, hold on.
Ooh.
They said they never tried it like that.
That's hot.
But here, I'm gonna make you taste some with 2 times. You want some with the 2 times spicy or not? Let me know. I'm gonna give you a big mouthful today. Okay. If you never ate it before, this is gonna be your first time, you know? There you go. There we go. I'll hold it right here. There we go. Alright, good. Yeah. I know y'all did.
Oh my
God damn it.
You beat it up again? In same spot, right?
Same friggin' spot. It's all good.
I'm telling you, you talk too much.
I'm sensitive mind.
You can't multitask. You can't talk and eat. Just
again,
stop
multitask?
it.
I know the multitask part. Well, multitask, you fling upside that multitask.
Oh, yeah. You're full of chat.
Barry, I know what to multitask I know. I don't care about you, Vaughn.
Whatever.
Whatever?
Whatever.
You want to talk? Okay, we're lucky.
You know, big up yourself too much, man.
We're gonna be compete. This is rated R. We can't have no rated R thing. I try this with my youth. Okay.
Yeah, this yourself.
No problem. Okay, problem.
So we have
Damn.
some questions that we're gonna answer today.
Yep.
Family member questions. It's from the same family member. She asked about 3 questions.
Because the rest of the y'all didn't even ask her. But it's all good. It's all love.
That's because they didn't watch the video.
Yeah, for real. They didn't watch the video. But shout out to you, LA Night. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna read your question after a minute after we start eating some of this delicious food.
Yeah.
But the rest of the family members, y'all still got enough chance to ask this question. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
You can put them down in the description, email First Lady if you're whatever, and just ask us some questions. I say early in the video, 5 minutes and change. If you want to ask us some questions, just jot it down and we answer them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. We're just gonna ask the questions periodically while we're eating, because I kind of remember them.
You remember them? Oh wow, you got good memory. This is good. Then I got some grape soda. You know what kind already? But my tongue, you're freak. My lip. This is good. Yo, I told you you should put more thing for the thing in my youth. Hamburger have to taste good, man.
Please.
Wow.
I love it with the sriracha sauce.
How everybody's staying safe out there, you know? You know what I'm saying? Family, no cap, this tastes good. If you eat hamburger elbow, what? Oh, you're never too good for something.
That's true.
So cut it out. Never too good for something.
Don't forget where you came from.
Don't forget where you came from, y'all.
But at the end of the day, if it's good, it's good.
Yep, it's a meal.
Yeah. Whether you're whatever, it's food. It's good.
It is good.
So I'm gonna ask the first question. The first question is, why did we start a YouTube channel? Basically, that's the question. What inspired us to start a YouTube channel? It's a two-part.
Yeah, it's a two-part. Get them your part.
I started a YouTube channel before. And the truth is, I always wanted to do it, but I was like, whatever. But then, I was going through some stuff personally. And I just said, you know what? Let me just go ahead and try it. And I started it, and I loved it. And about maybe 4 months into it, I started realizing that I wasn't eating dinner with the family anymore. I've said this before. And I was starting to feel lonely.
Ah! Sorry.
What is wrong with you?
Damn, I've been into it hard this time.
What? Richie, what's wrong with you?
Dang, y'all. The same shot. Damn. I wasn't even talking that time.
No, but you gotta relax. You be chewing like you. Oh my gosh.
No, my cheek went through it, B.
It always goes through it. Oh, yeah, can't be.
Oh, damn, y'all.
Hey.
Damn. Oh, gosh. I got you put that side there. Excuse me. Go ahead.
What's up?
Damn, yo.
You know I'm gonna keep that in, right?
Yeah, keep it in.
Fuck up yourself.
Damn,
But you
man.
bite yourself twice on camera. Hey.
No.
You go to the dentist and have them
I'm not too impressed.
shave your teeth down or something.
Yeah.
Give you some dentures or something, some softy teeth.
I'll go for it. Damn, yo.
You bite your lip even if you're drinking juice.
That's true. I feel got me right here.
So, are you okay though? I'm used to it, guys. It's been almost 20 years of him biting his lip. And in the same freaking spot. I don't know how come he still have a lip. Well, what do him? So,
Wow.
I stopped doing it. I was like, forget it. And then,
Let me get my
when the pandemic, I'm still speaking.
Okay,
Richard.
go ahead.
And then when the pandemic happened,
Okay, so you could tell the whole story then.
no, let me finish. I was still speaking. Don't push me off on the camera.
You see that?
I'm using your line.
So she bad me up? Okay. Tell the whole story.
So, when the pandemic happened, Richie said to me, wait a minute, I haven't seen you do your YouTube channel. What happened? No, I started telling him about it. And then he said, what did you say, my love?
I said, okay, now is the time for me to jump in. Because family, when she usually do it, I couldn't wait till she said done eat. That I could rush in there and take the rest of the leftovers. Even though I had mine, right? So I always wait. So I said, listen, I said to her, I'm gonna come join you. She said, you gonna come join me? Yes, so I joined her. Cause you know me, the same thing we do off camera, how we eat and talk is the same thing we gonna do on camera. So I said, might as well come join you cause we do the same thing off it. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna come join her. Now I join her, and now we're here. You know what I'm saying? Because you know me, I love my food. You know what I'm saying? And first they love to chat. You know what I'm saying? So I said, you know what? We're gonna make it happen. That's how we just started out. Boom.
And that's it. The history is rest.
And the history
And the rest
is
is history. That's how you go.
That's it. So we're here now. You know, family. The two of us.
Two of us.
First lady was lonely. And you know I wanted that food. I used to put my ears at the door like this.
Yep.
And couldn't and wait till she said bye. I come in and tear it up.
And I still said bye, but I just like bye guys or bye. And then another family member who used to watch us. No. And then a family member put in the comment section, bye, really like, or the E was stretched out. And then we started laughing and we said, wow, she's saying bye. And that's how we end up start saying bye. Instead of just saying bye, we do the bye. Yeah. So I go.
And that was it.
And that was it. So, a lot of our stuff came from family members. Like bye, FFF, and the wow, all that stuff.
It was a lot.
From the family members. And the next question is, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Me? Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, our business should be booming. You know what I'm saying? You know, we tried our thing, shipping the patties them out, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You gotta creep before you walk, you know what I'm saying? Baby step first, you know what I mean? We ain't gonna get that the first day. So hopefully in 5 years, that be hitting. And then other than you two, our outside business also.
Yeah.
With our food truck. You know what I'm saying? And basically that's it. What you see yourself in 5 years?
Yeah, I agree. I see the same exact thing. I also see some things that's in the works that we can't talk about. Because you know you gotta manifest it.
Oh.
You can't tell people everything now.
You can't tell,
But you do have negative energy that will just sit there and just hope that it doesn't come through.
Yeah.
But we are working on a lot of stuff.
Yeah. But it's a positive vibe over here, though.
Positive vibe over
we got
here.
them good family members.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's still.
Yeah, I hear you. Yeah.
So that's exactly what we're gonna be working on in 5 years.
Hopefully
Richie will stop biting his tongue in 5 years or his lip in 5 years, but I don't know. But 5 years, Vincent will be 25. Tamia, she will be, oh my God, 19. Me and Richie gonna be traveling.
My friends are gonna be traveling, dog. All over.
All over. Everywhere we go, we're gonna be doing it.
I mean, I do not get tried. This me just not my you. Just
you know what I mean?
No, you talking about I'm showing up for myself.
Yeah, show off my you.
I be my tongue a freak on my lip.
Twice, hard.
Twice hard too.
And the last question is, what is your biggest fear about your relationship?
All right, no. For all the guys out there, first lady's not leaving me, so cut it out. So don't say that. I'm not worried about that because I got a good first lady. So no.
Make sure you remember that all the time.
No, yo, chat too much my you sometimes.
Make a cut off guy, make a cut it. Make sure you remember that all the time.
Let me talk to the family member now. Elena, let me talk to you right now. Ready? My biggest fear is not be able to provide for my family. You know what I'm saying? I want to make sure everything goes. What? What happened? I'm talking to the people then.
I'm sorry.
Oh, so, yo, you see she's laughing at my question? That's a good answer, right?
No, it's not about the answer is good. What? Is it what you feel?
Yes,
okay.
that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm telling them. You let me express myself to the people.
I know, I'm sorry, because I'm laughing because okay, go ahead.
Yeah, that's the main reason right there. And the first one, I'm not worrying about that one. Go on.
I'm laughing because I remember when I was pregnant with Tamia, and he was like, Okay, this is not gonna work. How I'm gonna pay for this?
Okay,
we have.
it add up now.
So I was laughing.
Okay, don't laugh when I'm talking.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
And we had Vincent at the time, and Vincent is like 6 years old, and Vincent is like, you know, Richie's like, I gotta get 5 jobs. I don't know what I'm doing. He was like stressed out, like, oh my God, now I have another mouth to feed, blah, blah, blah. I swear Richie his head was gonna come off his body. He was like, I don't think I'm ready. I said, well, you better get ready, because she'll be here in 9 months. I already knew it was a girl in my mind, and I was right. So that's one of your fears?
That's my biggest fear. And going leaving the earth too soon. You know what that means. I ain't gonna say that word, you know? That's it.
My biggest fear of our relationship is, I'll be honest, is falling out of love with my husband. Okay? That is the truth. Because it does happen. You tend to want to do...
Yeah, ladies agree. I know they do.
You tend to want to... you know, your paths are different. Maybe one person want to do this and the next person doesn't want to do that. Maybe one person dreams and aspirations are bigger than the other person want to even dream. So you tend to get left behind. Now, excuse me, Richie and I have built something. Yeah, Richie and I have built something through the ups and the downs, the argues, the fights, but we've built something. But I do fear that. But every time I look back or I see how we interact with each other, it's really a blessing because we get each other. You know what I mean? It really works. He gets on my nerves, but we get each other.
You get on mine too.
You get on my nerves, bad man.
Family, she get on my nerve a lot.
But that's my fear because once I fall out of love, for most women, we're done. Nothing you can do to get us back. So I always say to myself, we just gotta work on our relationship, and we constantly work on our relationship because our relationship is not perfect. Neither there's nobody else's, right? I'm full.
Yes.
But that's my biggest fear.
I hope you appreciate those questions. If you have any more questions you could ask.
Those are very good questions, by the way.
Those are some very good questions right there.
Hit deep.
Hit deep. Personal. Yeah, we like that. But other than that, we appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? You full?
Yeah. Tomorrow, we have another old time meal for you. You're gonna be like, wow.
Yeah, we're going old time.
I mean, if you eat it currently to this day, that's fine.
Yeah.
But you know, these meals have been around forever, ever. Forever, ever? Forever, ever.
I'm not done it. You can't done it.
So that's basically what we have tomorrow. And we used to eat that too when we lived in Fort Lauderdale. We ate it a couple of times.
I remember that.
Yeah. But you know, and I have a bonus question that somebody had asked before. And it was, where did we meet or where we're from? If you're new to the channel, we met in the Bronx, the Boogie Down, BX, BX. Okay, and that's where we met, and we both were born in Spanish Town, Jamaica. Okay, that's where we was born. I grew up in Damed, and my hubby grew up about 10 minutes away from me. And no, we're not related.
No, I knew you were gonna ask that. We're not. I made sure. Well,
it's too late.
It's too late now.
Too late.
It happens, and we're not related. But we appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. Thank you for the new family member that's coming to the joining the family. We appreciate everybody. Right? If you're new, I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady. But don't forget that I got the wow for y'all. Y'all thought I was
That's
going.
what I was saying. He forgot.
I did not forget because it's right here on my phone. How could I forget? Right here. You know what I'm saying? Right here.
How's your lip?
But my lip a bun with my youth. Family.
First your body a bun, your lip a bun.
Family. First Lady, listen. Family, you deserve someone who hugs you until you forget what makes you sad. Like that one, First Lady?
I do.
Again, I'm going to say it again for y'all good peoples, okay? If you could relate, relate. All right. Family, you deserve someone who hugs you until you forget what makes you sad.
You know,
I appreciate everybody that be staying tuned for the while. You know what I'm saying? If y'all can relate, just relate. That's all I'm asking for. That's it. There you go, say that, First Lady.
I was gonna say, if there's men that are watching us.
Yo, nobody say no man watch me no more, because there's no man watching us over here. All the men left because I'm here now.
If there are men that are watching us and you guys are in a relationship with your significant other, just remember, women, we're very simple. All we want are the little things. The little things is what makes us happy. Take the garbage out. Clean up the house sometimes. Cook dinner. You know, bring us flowers.
All right.
I don't like flowers. But, because I spend some money.
Cut the video, Mike. Yeah, you chat too much right now.
Don't. You see, twice you mind yourself enough. Oh, don't get me get.
Hey.
Don't me get
There's
mad.
no guys. There's all ladies on the channel. There's no guys over here.
You want to try to cut me off, you have something to say. You always want to cut me off, but then at the end of the video, you always got to say something. Every video, I got to always edit it and cut his ass off because you always got to have something to say.
You cut me off.
Just do the simple things for your woman, men out there.
You see that? She always cut me off. You see that? But it's all good.
Okay, we know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course.
Bye.
Bye.